Kling AI Avatar is now launched, and it's amazing.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Kling AI Avatar is now launched and it's amazing.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
It's coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, a discovery like no other.
Captured at 48 frames per second, so smooth it feels alive before your eyes.
Waking in the light, my song takes flight, steady and true.
Oh my gosh, this is insane! It's 1080p, so clear, even my tiniest lashes are popping.
Mic check, levels tight, lip sync locked.
Something huge is approaching.
Are you all ready?
Of course, listen to me. 1 full minute of non-stop roaring.
Now, I can cosplay anyone I want.
Watch closely. The vision is coming to life.
And my veins code runs deep. Shadows crack open while the world's asleep. New life coded eyes break the veil.
Time's ticking, darling. Didn't you see the sign?
Creating content, literally easier and better than ever. Yes, I'm here now.